Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring two confusing phrases, used to and be used to.
These look almost identical, but mean completely different things.
Understanding them helps you talk about past habits and current comfort.
They're used constantly in everyday English.
By the end of this episode, you'll use both confidently.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these phrases mean.
They both contain used to, but they're totally different.
Used to talks about past habits that no longer happen.
Be used to means being familiar or accustomed to something.
Let's explore each one.
Phrase 1. Used to.
Used to describes past habits or states that are no longer true.
The key idea is something that happened regularly in the past, but doesn't now.
Structure. Subject plus used to plus base verb.
I used to smoke. She used to live here. We used to play together.
Uses of used to.
Use 1. Talking about past habits.
I used to drink coffee every morning. I don't anymore.
He used to play tennis. He doesn't play now.
Used to. Describing past states or situations.
This used to be a school. It's not a school now.
She used to be shy. She's not shy anymore.
Use 3. Talking about things that were true in the past.
I used to believe in Santa. I don't believe now.
We used to live in the city. We don't live there now.
Phrase 2. Be used to.
Be used to means being accustomed, familiar, or comfortable with something.
The key idea is something you're familiar with now. It doesn't bother you.
Structure. Subject plus be plus used to plus noun or gerund, ing.
I am used to the cold. She's used to waking up early. We're used to the noise.
Uses of be used to.
Use 1. Describing current familiarity.
I'm used to spicy food. Spicy food doesn't bother me. I'm familiar with it.
He's used to working late. Late work is normal for him.
Used to. Talking about adaptation to new situations.
I'm getting used to my new job. I'm becoming familiar with it.
She's not used to the heat yet. She hasn't adapted.
Use 3. Expressing comfort with conditions.
We're used to living alone. We're comfortable with it.
The key differences.
Used to equals past habits. No longer true.
Be used to equals current familiarity, accustomed to something.
Used to plus base verb.
Be used to plus noun or ing verb.
This is critical.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Linda, how's your new apartment downtown?
It's good. I'm getting used to the noise now.
Really? I thought you used to live in a quiet neighborhood.
I did. I used to love the silence, but now I'm used to hearing traffic.
That's a quite change. Are you used to the smaller space too?
Not completely. I used to have a big house, so this feels cramped.
Do you think you'll adjust?
I'm sure I will. I'm already used to the location. It's so convenient.
That's great. I could never get used to city noise myself.
Really? But you used to work downtown.
True, but I never got used to it.
Did you notice both phrases?
I'm getting used to the noise, becoming familiar.
You used to live in a quiet neighborhood. Past situation.
I used to love the silence, past habit.
I'm used to hearing traffic. Currently familiar.
Are you used to the smaller space? Are you familiar with it?
I used to have a big house. Past state.
I'm already used to the location, currently familiar.
Could never get used to. Never become familiar.
You used to work downtown, past habit.
Never got used to it. Never became familiar.
Both phrases used naturally.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Using used to instead of be used to for familiarity.
Wrong. I used to the cold. Correct. I'm used to the cold.
Need be, am is are.
Mistake 2. Using base verb after be used to.
Wrong. I'm used to wake up early. Correct. I'm used to waking up early.
Need ing form.
Mistake 3. Using ing after used to for past habits.
Wrong. I used to smoking. Correct. I used to smoke.
Need base verb.
Mistake 4. Forgetting be before used to for familiarity.
Wrong. I used to spicy food. Correct. I'm used to spicy food.
Must have am, is, are, was, were.
Mistake 5. Confusing pronunciation.
Used to, past habit, equals used to.
Used to, familiarity, equals used to. Same sound.
They sound identical but have different meanings.
Used to in different contexts.
Past lifestyle.
I used to exercise daily. She used to eat meat. We used to travel a lot.
Past locations.
This used to be a park. I used to live in Japan. That building used to be taller.
Past relationships.
We used to be friends. They used to date. I used to know her well. Be used to in different contexts.
Current habits and routines.
I'm used to working from home. She's used to getting up at 5 a.m. We're used to eating late.
Environmental adaptation.
I'm used to the weather here. He's used to the altitude. They're used to the time difference.
Cultural familiarity.
I'm used to American culture now. She's used to the customs here. We're used to the language. Negative forms.
Saying what you didn't do or aren't familiar with.
Used to, negative. Didn't used to. Not, didn't used to.
I didn't used to like vegetables. She didn't used to wear glasses.
Be used to, negative. Am, is, are, plus not, plus used to.
I'm not used to the heat. He isn't used to working nights.
Question forms.
Asking about past and familiarity.
Used to. Did plus subject plus used to plus verb.
Did you used to play piano? Did she used to live here?
Be used to. Be plus subject plus used to plus noun or gerund.
Are you used to the food here? Is he used to driving on the left?
Get used to.
The process of becoming familiar.
Get used to equals become accustomed. Transition.
I'm getting used to my new schedule. I'm in the process of adapting.
It took time to get used to the culture. Adaptation happened.
You'll get used to it eventually. You will adapt.
Comparing all three.
Same topic, different phrases.
I used to hate waking up early. Past, I hated it before.
I'm getting used to waking up early. Process, I'm adapting.
I'm used to waking up early now. Current, I'm comfortable with it.
Shows progression.
Used to with stative verbs.
Verbs about states, not actions.
I used to be happy. She used to have long hair. We used to know them.
Common with be, have, know, like, love.
Be used to with daily activities.
Things you do regularly.
I'm used to commuting 2 hours. She's used to cooking for 5 people. We're used to paying high rent.
Real life scenarios.
Moving to a new country.
I used to live in my home country. Past.
I'm getting used to the new culture. Process.
I'm used to the language now. Current comfort.
Starting a new job.
I used to work in retail. Past job.
I'm getting used to the new responsibilities. Adapting.
I'm used to the early mornings now. Comfortable.
Life changes.
I used to be single. Past state.
I'm getting used to married life. Adapting.
I'm used to sharing space now. Current comfort.
Time expressions.
When we use each phrase.
Used to, often with time words, like when I was young, years ago, in the past.
Be used to, often with now, already, still not, finally.
Context helps.
Context helps.
Emphasis and tone.
Making statements stronger.
I really used to love that show. Emphasizing past feeling.
I'm still not used to the cold. Emphasizing lack of adaptation.
I'm completely used to it now. Emphasizing full comfort. With modal verbs.
Adding possibility or obligation.
I can't get used to the noise. You should get used to the schedule. I'll never get used to this.
Common with get used to.
Used to in storytelling.
Describing background.
When I was a child, I used to visit my grandparents every summer.
Sets the scene for stories.
Be used to in advice.
Helping others adapt.
Don't worry, you'll get used to it. Give it time. You'll be used to the routine soon.
Encouraging.
Cultural differences.
Adaptation experiences.
I used to think American portions were normal. Past belief.
I'm not used to tipping culture. Current unfamiliarity.
I'm getting used to the different customs. Adapting. Health and lifestyle.
Changes in habits.
I used to eat junk food daily. Past habit. Stopped.
I'm used to eating healthy now. Current comfort with healthy food.
I'm getting used to exercising regularly. Adapting to exercise. School and education.
Academic transitions.
I used to study at night. Past habit.
I'm used to morning classes now. Comfortable with mornings.
I'm getting used to online learning. Adapting. Workplace examples.
Professional contexts.
I used to work remotely. Past work style.
I'm used to office work now. Comfortable in office.
I'm getting used to the new software. Learning process.
Pronunciation tips.
How to say them correctly. Used to, past habit. Used to. The D sounds like T.
Used to. Familiarity. Same pronunciation.
Get used to. Get used to.
Practice makes perfect.
Common combinations.
Phrases that go together.
I used to think. I used to believe. There used to be.
I'm used to it. I'm used to this. I'm not used to that.
Get used to it. Getting used to. Can't get used to.
Natural expressions.
Advanced. Would versus used to.
Similar but different.
I used to swim is past habit. Can be state too.
I would swim is past action only, not states.
I used to be happy is correct.
I would be happy is wrong for states.
Subtle difference.
More detailed examples.
Let's explore deeper scenarios.
Technology and modern life.
I used to write letters by hand. Past habit, now I use email.
I'm used to texting instead of calling. Comfortable with texting.
I'm getting used to voice commands. Adapting to new tech.
Family and parenting.
I used to sleep 8 hours before kids.
I'm used to waking up multiple times at night. Parent life.
I'm getting used to having no free time. Adapting to parenthood.
Travel and new places.
I used to travel for work monthly. Past habit.
I'm used to airport security now. Familiar with it.
I'm getting used to the local customs. Learning.
Relationships and social life.
I used to go out every weekend. Past habit.
I'm used to staying home now. Comfortable staying in.
I'm getting used to being in a relationship. Adapting.
Expressions with used to.
Common complete phrases.
There used to be, describing past existence.
There used to be a store here. There used to be more trees.
I used to think or believe, past opinions.
I used to think I knew everything. I used to believe in luck.
Expressions with be used to.
Natural combinations.
I'm used to it by now, finally comfortable.
I'm so used to it I don't even notice. Complete familiarity.
I'll never get used to, strong statement.
I'll never get used to cold weather.
Weather and climate.
Environmental adaptation.
I used to live in a tropical climate, past.
I'm used to snow and ice now, adapted.
I'm getting used to the humidity, process.
Food and diet.
Eating habits.
I used to be a vegetarian, past diet.
I'm used to spicy food now, comfortable with spice.
I'm getting used to smaller portions, adapting.
Exercise and fitness.
Physical activities.
I used to run marathons, past activity.
I'm used to working out daily, routine now.
I'm getting used to yoga, new practice.
Money and finances.
Financial situations.
I used to spend without thinking, past behavior.
I'm used to budgeting now, current practice.
I'm getting used to living on less, adapting.
Sleep patterns.
Rest and schedules.
I used to stay up late, past habit.
I'm used to going to bed early, current routine.
I'm getting used to waking at dawn, adapting.
Noise and environment.
Surroundings.
I used to need silence to sleep, past requirement.
I'm used to city noise now, adapted.
I'm getting used to the neighbor's dog barking, process.
Stress and pressure.
Mental adaptation.
I used to get stressed easily, past tendency.
I'm used to pressure now, handles it well.
I'm getting used to the workload, adapting.
Quick review. Used to means past habits or states that are no longer true.
Structure, used to plus base verb.
I used to smoke. She used to live here.
Be used to is current familiarity or being accustomed to.
Structure, be plus used to plus noun or ing.
I'm used to the cold. She's used to waking up early.
Get used to is becoming familiar, the process.
I'm getting used to it. You'll get used to it.
Used to is about the past.
Be used to is about the present.
Get used to is about the transition.
Negatives, didn't used to versus not used to.
Questions, did you used to versus are you used to?
After used to, past, base verb.
After be used to, familiarity, noun or ing.
They sound the same but mean different things.
Context is key to understanding which one.
You now understand both completely.
These phrases help you talk about past and adaptation.
Use used to when describing past habits that stopped.
Use be used to when talking about being comfortable with something.
Use get used to when describing the adaptation process.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. Create a sentence using used to or be used to.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.